take a look at this geometrical figure. In the figure, EBCH and GFHT are squares and ABCD is a rectangle. AG is to GD is equal to 2:3. Find the area of the shaded part. Okay, so the figure consists of two squares, EBCH, this is a square, this part is a square, and GFHT, this part is also a square. The overall figure ABCD is a rectangle. Now they have a relation between the two sides, AG, this part, and GD. That is 2:3. So AG is to GD is equal to 2:3. Now the question also gives us a few values in the figure. AG is equal to 20 cm and HC is equal to 50 cm. They want us to find the area of this shaded part. So what do we do with this information? As soon as we see this relation, we can find out the value of GD, which is this part. How? Because we have the value of AG and we have a relation between AG and GD. So we'll be taking this as 2x is equal to 20 cm, then x will be equal to 10 cm. 3 parts, 3x will be equal to 30 cm. So GD is 30 centimeters. What do we do with 30 centimeters? Okay, now let's have this as it is for now. Now how do we approach such a problem with shaded parts, unshaded parts, and they want us to find out the area of the shaded part? Let's first look at the shaded part. Is there any particular formula for this triangle? We know that the formula for triangle is half into base into height. But can we figure out the base and the height in this case? No. Even if we can figure out the base using the diagonal of the square, we can't figure out the height. We have no clue about the height. So we can't start with the shaded part. So another commonly used method to solve such problems is area of the whole figure minus all of the unshaded parts. Now let's look at the unshaded parts. Now you can see that unlike the shaded triangle, the unshaded triangles actually have a proper, this one also has a proper height and base, but these can be measured because the values are given in the figure. We can find this out and we can find the total height. We have the base. So let's first look at triangle BCH. Okay, so the key to finding out the shaded part will be the area of the whole rectangle minus these three triangles. Minus triangle BCH minus triangle ABG and minus triangle GDH. So the area of the rectangle will be length into breadth. Now GD is equal to 30 cm. So this will be equal to 30 cm. We have found this out. So we have the breadth. How do we find out the length? Now this is a square GFDH because the question says so. You can't guess it just by looking at the figure, but the question states that GFHT is a square. So we can assume this to also be 30 cm. Then the length of the side CD will be 80. So it is 80 into 20 plus 30 and that is 50. This gives us the area of the rectangle, which is 4000 cm cube. Next, we have to find out the area of this triangle BCH. This is 50. This is also 50. So half into 50 into 50. This gives us 1250 cm square. Next triangle is ABG. ABG. This will give half into 20. This is the base. and this is the height. What is the height equal to? It's equal to 80 because this part is equal to 80. So half into 80 into 20. Next we have triangle GDH, and this will be half into 30 into 30. This gives us 450. So now all we have to do is take the total area of the rectangle and subtract all of these triangles. That is 4000 minus this, and this. And this gives us 1500 cm square.